Hey guys, what's up? This is Ryan. Welcome to my channel Ecom Venture. So today in this video, we're going to add a secondary user, like giving user permission to a user who would be able to manage our account on our behalf. It could be either a virtual assistant or it could be somebody else. So to begin with, let's get out of my computer screen and I'll show you how we do this. Go to the Amazon Seller Central account page. Here I've already logged in. So here we click on settings. Under setting in the drop down, we'll see the option of user permissions. We click on it. Then we see the users we have already added to this account. So this is my email address, which is added, and this is the main account email, which is already the main email, which we can't even edit or remove. So to add a new user, we enter the name here. So I'm just giving it to myself just to show you guys. So I enter my email address here. Then click on invite. Yeah, so invitation have been sent. So now we go to the email on which we sent the invitation. Here we have already received the invite. We click on the email. So yeah, we've received the link invitation from Amazon to go through the Amazon seller account permission. So we click on the link. It will redirect us to the Amazon seller account page. So now here I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and sign in. But no problem if you don't have an account. You can always go ahead and create your Amazon account in just 1 or 2 steps. If not the complete seller account application, it's just a 3-step to get an account, secondary account permission. So I will go ahead and sign in. Now it's accepting the invitation. Yeah, so invitation have been accepted. You will see here. After that, we need to select the marketplace to get started. So I'll go ahead and go to the Amazon.com, which is United States marketplace. I'll click on select. Yeah, so invitation have been accepted. So to give the permission to the Amazon tab, so the VA or the user can add or edit the orders, we go to the main account from where we have given the permission. Here we go ahead and reload the page. Yeah, now we can see the user have been added to the current user from the new user. So I will see the name here, Ryan, and my email. So now we can go ahead and click on manage permission. We can either add the user to the global account, but in this case, we're just giving it the mail account permission to edit the account settings. So now we've opened the user permission tab for the particular email address. Now we see what kind of permissions we need to give to the user. Here we can see we can give the advertisement tab settings to the user, like from view tab or view and edit or the admin. So just bear in mind that the certain account setting which is under the admin tab is only for the account holder, because if we give the admin access to the user, they would be able to add a bank account or to change the bank account, or it could be either a closure of the account. So giving the admin permission to particular virtual assistant or a particular secondary user wouldn't be good in my scenario. So you should be better know of it. So to give the user particular access, I go ahead and click into the view and edit. For the advertisement tab, same goes with the Amazon Pay. Then growth, and we scroll a little bit down. Then inventory tab, the administrative tools. Go ahead and give the view and edit the media, upload, and the orders. Then performance tab, which is mandatory. Then the pricing and the reports. After that, we've got this services settings and view and edit. Make sure if you don't want to give the user permission to add more user by themselves, you can always go ahead. I'll click on here. That is none. And tax information, I don't want to give my VA to the tax information. We go ahead and click on continue. It's already done. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to add a secondary user to your Amazon seller account. If you found this video helpful, so give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. Moreover, we've got some free courses coming up on how to build a successful Amazon FBA wholesale and private label business on Amazon. So don't miss out any of our video. Hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.